audible? Good morning, students. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
For both the divisions? Yes. Is it audible for both the divisions? A and B?
Ma'am,
A division?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And from B division? Yes, from B division? Okay. Clearly audible? Okay, 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. Just check whether you are able to see it or not. I'm opening one Microsoft file. For A division, no problem, but I'm asking related to B division. Okay, just check whether you are able to see it or not. Yes, are you able to see it? B division? Okay, wait. Yes, for B division, can you see it? Yes, from B division students, can you able to see it? Yes, Pratik Mari. Pratik Mari. Hello, Pratik Mari. Just tell me whether you are able to see that word file or not. Anisha, whether am I audible? B division? Okay, whether my screen is visible? B division students? Not visible? Anybody else who is not able to see? Okay, 1 minute. I'm leaving this room. Wait, don't leave this session. I will rejoin it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am sharing my screen. Now check, is it visible or not? Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
1 minute.
No, ma'am.
Okay, for B division, can you join another link? Because whenever I am sharing my screen, it will generate an mirroring. Okay, just see whether it is generate a mirroring part from your side. If not, then we will continue it. Are you able to see it?
Only black screen is visible.
Okay. Okay, so I will share one another screen. A division, wait for 5 minutes. We will start very soon. A division, don't leave the session. Within 2 minutes, we will start it. Okay? Okay, so A division student, wait, within 1 minute we will start it. Okay? Now I am adding remaining students. बापरे इतके फास्ट आहे. Okay, B division, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So just a minute, we will start it. I will share my screen for both the divisions. Now check all of you. Right now I am sharing to B division. Just a minute, then I will share with A division. Okay. So for every lecture, we have to invest our 4 to 5 minutes in it. So, okay, because all features are changed from their side. That's why we need to take this case. Okay, for B division, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And for A division?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because already 13 minutes we have invested in this part. Okay, let it be. Whenever you will feel like that my voice is not audible or my screen is not visible, then please interrupt me. Or if your voice is not reachable to me, then drop one message. Okay, you can drop the text message also, no issues, because sometimes due to network issue I am unable to find your WhatsApp messages. Okay, so now we will move towards our part that we have covered in the previous lecture. In previous lecture, we have seen regular language definition with its example as well as regular expression. Then we have solved lot many examples, right? Total 11 examples we have solved, and I have given you total 4 examples as a homework. Have you solved it? Yes, have you solved it? I have shared that word file in your groups. Have you tried it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Now check. I am giving here detailed answer with its explanation. Now check whether all of you getting the same answer or not. If anybody is not getting the same answer, then first check whether on what position you have made mistake. If you are not understood, then ask me in the lecture only. Okay. So first question is what? The language of all strings containing exactly two zeros. Okay, the question is what? The language of all strings containing exactly two zeros. Means only two zeros are allowed. More than two zeros are not allowed, and less than two zeros are also not allowed. So you have to check the case. So we can make a regular language with all strings, right? We can make a regular language with all strings, and those are nothing but 00 is possible, 100, 001, and 101. Okay, likewise, we can take remaining strings having length 4. Okay, we have checked those strings also, and likewise, the strings are going on. It means minimum two zeros are allowed. In between that, one will be there, starting with one that will be possible, ending with one that will be possible. But count of zeros is must be 2, not less than 2, not greater than 2. Count of 1 we can vary, no issues. Okay, so there may be no limitation for values of ones. Okay, so this is the regular expression for given statement. Okay, so this is the regular expression for given statement. Okay, all of you got the same answer? No queries? Yes, students? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, second question is what? The language of all strings containing at least two zeros. Now see the difference between these two. In first question, what we have asked? Mm, exactly two zeros. And in this question, at least two zeros means minimum two zeros are allowed and more than two zeros are also allowed. Okay, so both the ways are there. Minimum two zeros and more than two zeros. But here, whenever they will mention exactly, in that case, complete count of that values are nothing but the two only. Okay, so according to this part, at least two zeros means minimum two zero and more than two zeros means first these are allowed. After that, triple zero is also allowed. Okay, in between that one will be there. Okay, it may be start with one, it middle part one will be there or end with one likewise. So minimum count is what? 10. Sorry, 20. This is first 0 and this is second 0. That part will be compulsory. And apart from this, you have to check the remaining combinations of zeros and 1. That's why we have taken 0 plus 1 bracket star, means bracket clean closure. In between two zeros also, starting of 0 also and ending of 0. So this is the regular expression for at least two zeros. Okay, any queries? I will share this file also after completion of lecture, because here also different examples are there. So I will share same file after completion of lecture. Okay, so those who have not got the previous one, they can use it, because previous examples are also there in the same file. Okay, shall we move towards next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So next question is what? The language of all strings that do not ends with 0 1. Okay, ending with 0 is allowed, ending with 1 is allowed, ending with 10 11 00. These possibilities are allowed. Only ending with 01 is not allowed. Okay, so it may happen that the string contains a null value. Okay, then only 0 is possible, only 1 is possible. After that, 0 0 combination is possible, 1 0 is possible, 1 1 is possible, but 0 1 is not possible, because in the regular language they have mentioned that the language of all strings that do not ends with 0 1. Okay, in same pattern you have to check the strings of length 3. Okay, string of length 3. Here you can find out 1 0 1 I have not taken, and 1 0 1 1 also I have not taken, because that strings are ends with 0. So in that case you have to check each and every possibility. Means our string, means regular language may contain null value, so we have written here as a null. It may start with 0, it may end with 0. This is possible, but whenever we are checking a single one, that we have to cover with our regular expression. That's why whatever possibilities are there, means do not end with 0 1. It may end with 1 1, it may end with 1 0, but it cannot end with single 0 1. So whenever we end our string with 0, it may contain initial part as a combinations of zeros and 1. Okay, means this type of strings, these two strings that we have covered with the help of this one. Also 0 0 0 0 1 0, that is also part of this expression only. Okay, then strings ending with 1 1. Okay, this one, then 0 1 1, triple one, likewise that part come over here, and only one is remaining, because we cannot calculate one with the help of these two regular expressions. Okay, we cannot calculate one with the help of these two regular expressions. That's why we have taken separately null and one as a regular expression. Okay, so this is the complete regular expression for the language of all strings that do not ends with 0 1. Okay, is there any queries inside it? Understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody has solved this example? At least tried? Yes? Anybody tried this example?
Yes, ma'am.
Let it be, but at least you have tried, right? Because I have not taken this example purposefully. I have given it as a homework, because if you are tried, then only you can understand it. What mistakes will be there whenever you are trying to solve such a examples. Okay, we are solving this type of examples in today's lecture. Okay, now understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just check. Okay, now I'm bifurcating. First, I will consider this part. Okay, this. So first, see which strings comes under this regular expression. Okay, single zero is possible. 1 minute. Single zero is possible. 0010. Then triple zero 100, comma 110, comma 010. Okay, and this is going on. Okay, means all strings that ends with 0, all such a strings can be generated with the help of a this part. Now check. 0 is the part of our regular language. Here, this is our regular language, right? Just 1 minute, I will highlight it. Okay, so now you can check. 0 is a part of our regular language. 00 is also, 10 is also, triple zero, then 100, 110, 010. Okay, and this process is going on. Next one is what? We will take this one. Now see which strings comes under this regular expression. 11, 011, 111. Okay, then 0011, 0111, 1011, and 4 times 1. Okay, and this process is going on. Okay, so these strings can be generated with the help of this regular expression. Now check. 11 is part of our regular language. 011 is also part of our regular language. Then 111. Okay, and remaining strings having length 4 and more than 4 that we have not written here. Then now check which part is remain. We have checked the parts that starts with ends with 0 and this one, but right now we have not considered this null value as well as this 1 value. Okay, but that part is comes under this statement, all strings that do not ends with 01, because null is not ending with 01. This one is also not ending with 01 because these are the single length sequences, right? Single length sequences. That's why we have purposefully taken here null or. This plus operation is nothing but the or. Null or 1 or this third expression, and this one is the fourth expression. So togetherly we have made a regular expression for the strings do not ends with 0 1. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so whenever such a types of examples are there, in that case try to find it out its regular language first. Okay, in this fashion try to find it out its regular language first. Okay, then check maximum possibilities of strings that ends with, do not ends with the another part, but maximum possibilities of strings that ends with a particular character. Okay, you can also find it out over this language. Our string ends with 0 is possible if we have considered the strings ends with 1. In that case what would happen? If you have considered single one only, in the front of single one there may be a chances of a 0 and it will come under this part. So to avoid this we have taken our strings ends with 1 and only one string is remained, that is the one we can consider with the help of single one over here. Okay, so this is the regular expression for ends with, do not ends with 01. Okay, whenever you will solve such a types of examples for many times, then you are able to see that how to recognize its regular expression. Okay, so we will move towards next example so we can find out these types of example in today's lecture. Okay, so I will share this with you after completion of today's lecture, so you can solve such a types of example very easily. Next one is very simple. The set of all strings containing substring ABA over alphabet set A comma B. Right? This is very simple. It may starts with combinations of A's and B's, and it may ends with combinations of A's and B's. But substring means it togetherly form a string ABA. So we have to write it middle because we don't know. It may start with ABA, it may end with ABA, or in middle portion it may have a ABA. Okay. Have you got this answer? Because this we have already solved such a types of example. Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any queries inside these four examples? No queries? Okay. Should we move towards next example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is today's part. Okay, we have solved how to recognize the regular expression from given regular language. Okay, now today we will see how to find out particular values that are not a part of regular expressions. Okay, so we will see it. First, listen this statement. Find the shortest string that is not in the language represented by the regular expression. Now what we have to find out, they have provided us a regular expression. Okay, they have provided us a regular expression, and out of that you have to find out what is the string which does not belong from given regular expression. Okay, they have not asked you to write its regular language, but they have given you find out shortest string. So for finding out shortest string, we have to design its regular language set. Okay, how to design it? First check. In this expression, A star, AB star and B star is there. So you have to divide it into subparts. Okay, you have to divide it into subparts. How to divide it? First check. A star is equal to, you have to write its set. Whenever you will solve such examples, no need to divide each and every regular expression part into sets. Whenever you will get familiar, then you can directly solve this also. Okay, but for first means this is first example, so you have to take care about it. Okay, in A star, null will be there, single A, double A, triple A, and this process is going on. Okay, then next part is what? AB bracket star means whenever you will calculate their strings, it may come with AB format. Null will be there, AB, then 2 times AB, 3 times AB, and this process is going on. And same is applicable with B star. Same is applicable with B star. Small b is there. Okay. I am purposefully splitting it because in any textbooks they have not given in this format, but for your understanding I am mentioning. If you try to read the textbook directly, then you will get confused. So directly don't go to your textbooks. I will share the textbook, but after completion of first chapter. Okay, otherwise you will get confused. They have given in the somewhat tough language, so try to avoid initially. After familiar with all this example, you can use the textbook for your reading purpose. Okay, but mostly check the our syllabus as well as our daily notes and then try to read it. Okay, otherwise you will get confused because they have written in the somewhat hard language. They have not simplified each and everything. Okay, now you have seen splitted part of our regular expression, right? A star, AB star and B star. Now you have to make a combinations of each and every one, and then you have to find the shortest string. Okay, how to find the shortest string. For that purpose, you need to write, okay, how to compare it. Comparison is important, otherwise you cannot find the shortest string. So for comparison purpose, this is the universal set. Okay, this is the universal set for given regular expression. Means whenever you will find out any expression in the format of A's and B's, in that case A plus B star is the universal set for this expression. Okay, so whenever you will consider universal set, which possibilities are there? Null, A, B, double A, AB, B, A, B, B. Then triple A, B, comma, A, B, A, B, 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 A, A, B, A, B. Okay, then B, B, A. Okay, and this process is going on. Okay, whether my voices get breaked due to call?
No, ma'am.
Okay, from B division, am I audible clearly? Yes, Sakshi. Okay, okay. Okay. Due to call, I feel that my voice is not clear. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Now see, this is the universal set for this regular expression. Now check one by one. Null is possible in between these three. Yes, null string is possible. Yes. Yes, students. Is null string is possible for given regular expression A star, AB star, and B star?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will mention in here as a regular language strings. Then single A is possible because this comes under this part. So we will write single A also and B also. Okay. Then AA is possible, right? We are comparing with this. We are comparing with this. Okay. Don't confuse. This is the universal set and we are comparing given regular expression with this, and according to that we are writing here regular language for matching purpose, right? AA is possible, AB is possible, but can we write BA from this string? Yes. Can we able to generate BA?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Right. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So this is our answer. This is the shortest string that does not belong to given regular expression. Understood what they have asked us? Find the shortest string that is not in the language represented by the regular expression. Okay, so BA is the shortest string that we cannot generate through this regular expression. Too many strings are possible, but they have asked the shortest string. Okay, we can check the next string also. What is the possibility? Okay, BB is possible, so we will mention here. Then triple A is possible. Double AB is possible. Then ABA. Now check whether this string is possible. Just check with the help of this sequence A, AB star, B, B star. ABA is possible?
No.
No, ma'am.
Right. Correct. So next string is what? ABA. But they have asked us, right. Only shortest string they have asked. So too many strings are available that cannot be generated with the help of this regular expression. Okay. So you have to find out only minimum string length. Okay. So BA is your answer. Any queries? Have
No,
you
ma'am.
understood it properly? Right. So for MCQ, whenever theory exams are there, at that time what will happen? They are giving you such a types of a 4 examples for each having 1 mark. Okay, otherwise in the MCQ they can ask you. So whenever there will be chances of a first chapter, only 1 mark questions are there, or max to max 2 marks question on such a patterns. Okay, so for homework I will share such a list so you can practice it more and more. Okay, because for our subject tutorial is also there, but we are not taking tutorial as a separate part. In the lecture only we are solving such a examples as a tutorial. Okay, so whenever I will share these things with you, solve it on the pages, then only you can become a very good to solve the talk examples. Okay, so try to solve it on the pages. If you are having any queries, you can take a screenshot, means take a photos and you can share with me so I can give its answer. Okay, now next part, next example. Set of strings of A's and B's ending with B but do not end containing AA. Means here we have to check the two cases. Means two conditions are there, that set of strings from the set A and B ending with B. Means each and every string must be end with B but not contain AA. Means we have to exclude such a things, means such a strings that contains double A simultaneously. Okay, double A simultaneously. In that case, B is allowed because they have mentioned ending with B. Means ending with B, what strings are available from set A and B that available. I have just told you this is the universal set. Whenever you will consider two input symbols A and B. If 0, 1 is there, only replace here 0 plus 1. Right? So ending with B. This B is allowed, AB is allowed, double B is allowed. But this string AAB is not allowed because here 2A is there, not containing double A they have asked. So we cannot take this string in our regular language. Then A double B is allowed, right? BAB is allowed, triple B is allowed likewise. Okay. So next possibility of strings is nothing but we have seen 3 length. Now we will move towards 4 lengths, 4 string length. Now check, is this string allowed? Yes. Is this string is allowed for this statement?
No.
Right,
No,
correct.
ma'am.
Right, this string is not allowed. Now this one, correct.
No, ma'am.
Okay, but
No.
No.
right. Okay. Now check. Is it allowed?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Allowed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right. This is allowed because they have mentioned simultaneously two A's. Single A for multiple times is allowed, but simultaneously two and more than two A's are not allowed. That's why this string is acceptable for given language. Okay, so for that, what is the regular expression? See here, each and every string end with B and AB is allowed. Its meaning is nothing but B and AB is allowed. You can see here, B is allowed, AB is allowed. Here also, B is allowed, right? And here also, means whenever you will see all these strings, you will find it out that always each string ends with ends with B or it ends with AB. So we have taken, this is the compulsory part, means either it ends with B or it ends with AB. Okay, so we have taken its clean closure and its compulsory part is this one. So these two statements, means these two expressions have one and the same meaning. Okay, if you want to take a positive closure, it means one or more occurrences, and if you have taken its clean closure, then you need to add one more bracket to design a one or more occurrences of a given expressions. Okay, so both the regular expressions allowed for such a types of a example. Understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, whether you want its repetition. Is it necessary to repeat it?
Hello, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Repeat that regular equation.
a regular expression.
Hi, a regular expression. Yes.
Okay, now see here. Should I split it so you can understand it very easily?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, now see, in a regular language, first two strings are nothing but b comma ab as per our given statement. Strings of a's and b's ending with b and not containing aa. According to that, these two statements are compulsory because null string cannot be generated as a regular language, right? So it always contains as a either b or ab as a output. Okay, see, I will compare it over here. This is the universal set, right? In that null is there, single a is there. Null cannot return as our string because ending with b is our condition. So null does not ends with b. Here also single a is not allowed because this does not ends with b. So compulsory part is what? Either b is our answer or ab is our answer. For that purpose we have taken this. 1 minute. That's why we have taken this bracket. Either B will be there or AB will be there. But there may be chances of a different combinations of these two, right? Means double B, triple B likewise. This case is also allowed as well as this one. ABB, then BAB. But here in BAB and ABAB, it ends with B as well as it ends with AB. Okay. So for this purpose, we have taken its positive closure. Okay. Now see why we have taken like this. Whenever we are writing, suppose 0 star is there and 0. 0 star 0 is nothing but minimum occurrence of 0 of 1 is there or 0 0 triple 0 and likewise. And whenever we are writing 0 plus, in that case minimum occurrence of one time of 0 is possible, right? Okay, so meaning of 0 star 0 and 0 plus means clean closure with 0 and positive closure of a 0 is one and the same. In same fashion we have written this regular expression. Okay, only we have replaced 0 by b plus ab. Understood it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so try to solve such a types of a example. Okay, so whenever you will solving such a types of a example that are completely as a part of a logic. Okay, whenever you will solve such a examples for multiple times, then automatically it get generated. Okay, should I move towards next example?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
example of, right, this is example of C identifiers. You have already learned C language, right, in the previous semester. So whenever there is a part of a C identifiers is nothing but the declaration of variable names. So you know its rule. Our identifiers must be start with either with letters or with underscore. It cannot start with digits. Okay, so for mentioning such a type of a restriction, first we need to provide its combinations as a regular expression. Okay, that regular expression will handle the identifier whether it starts with letters or it starts with digit. We don't allow the identifiers which are started with the digits. Only letter and underscore is available to start it. That's why first find out how many letters are there. Okay, we can start with small letters as well as capital letters. That's why I have taken L as a all letters, capital as well as small. You can see A, B, C up to Z as well as capital A, capital B up to capital Z. Okay, so L is nothing but set of all characters, small as well as capital. Then D. D contains all digits 0 to 9. Okay, so whenever we are writing only first bracket as a compulsory, it means identifiers always starts with either with letter or with underscore. That's why first bracket we have considered with L or underscore, and after first character we can write multiple times letters, digits, underscores. That's why we have taken here as L plus underscore plus digits, whole clean closure. Okay, now I will show you why we have written such an example. Okay, now suppose I am declaring one integer variable as a. Can we generate with the help of this regular expression? This is the single character as an integer a. This is one variable, that is the identifier. Can we generate single a with the help of this regular expression? Yes, students. See here, this EL is nothing but this complete characters from small a to small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. To write complete this portion, we have mentioned it as a L. Okay, and for digits, for writing complete 0 to 9 digits, we have written it as a D. So can we generate single A with the help of this regular expression?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. All of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
got it? Okay, now see. Correct. Can we generate underscore A as an identifier from this regular expression? Only see these parts. Underscore A. Can we generate it? This is allowed as an identifier. Yes, correct. But suppose I have written integer 20. Is it identifier?
No, ma'am.
No. And this is also not get generated with this regular expression. It means we have generated a correct regular expression. Right? Okay. For theory exams, at that time it will be asked for 2 marks, such a types of examples. Okay. But whenever they are asking in the format of a MCQ, they will provide the statement, write a regular expression for C language, C identifiers, and they will provide you 4 options likewise. So you have to pick out the correct option. Okay. So they will try to misguide you, but try to solve this example without seeing today's discussion. Then you can find out whether you are getting the same or not. Only you have to follow the rules. What rules that you are using for the designing the variable names. Okay, if you are having those rules in front of or in your mind, then you are easily draw its regular expression. Okay, now next. Now this one is also one more interesting question. This is a 1 mark MCQ question actual. Okay, what they are asking, determine all the strings in language and this is nothing but the expression for this language, okay, of length less than 4. Means what we have to generate only those strings that having length less than 4. Equal to 4 is also not allowed because they have mentioned less than 4. So first you have to calculate each and every string from given expression. Now check how to calculate it. First you have to check the strings having length 1, because here you can see that here compulsory part is a 1. Okay, because they have not mentioned any type of a closure over here. Means positive closure is also not mentioned and clean closure is not mentioned. Means string with length 1 is nothing but single B. By default single B is compulsory because they have not mentioned it as a clean closure or positive closure. Then you have to find the strings having length 2. Strings having length 2. Now check how to calculate strings having length 2. For calculation purpose, first replace this star with 1. If you replace it 0, it will generate null, and if you replace it null 0, it will also generate null. Means by default B will be there, that we have already taken. Now replace this clean closure by 1 and this clean closure by 0. So this bracket will get active when you will replace this clean closure by 1. It means it generates the two strings either AB or BB. Okay, either AB or BB. Understood? What we have done? First, we have replaced this clean closure by 1 and this closure by 0. And now we got these two strings. After that, this clean closure, replace this clean closure by 0 and replace this second clean closure by 1. It will generate the string BA, and another one is a B, sorry, BAB, but this is of length 3. We will calculate in the next. Okay, just a minute. Why you are late? Yes, why you are too much late? Try to join it within a time, otherwise you cannot get the sequence of all these things. Okay, now check. We have replaced this first clean closure by 0 and second clean closure by 1. Whenever we have replaced it, it generated these two strings. One is BA and another one is a BAB. But we want to find out length less than 4. Okay, so we have kept this BAB in the third part. String length with 3. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, now you can see it single. Okay, now next we will replace both the clean closure by 1. Both the clean closure by 1 means ABA is one string. Are you able to understand it, or should I explain it in another manner? Yes, are you understanding what I am saying,
Yes, ma'am.
or should I explain it with another way? You understanding it? Okay. Now, okay. See, 1 second. Okay, see, first what I will do, I will replace this clean closure by 0 and this one is also with 0. This is the first step. Okay, so whenever bracket raised to 0 will be there, in that case its value become as a null. Its value become as a null. Okay, after that b will be there because they have not mentioned b as any type of a closure property, so by default b will be there. Okay, then second we have replaced second clean closure also with 0. So whenever anything raised to 0 is there, in that case we are writing the null value. Its meaning is what? It automatically generate a single b. Okay, so whatever string generated with this, it comes under the length having 1. Okay, so we have written this string in the string with length 1. Okay, so is it clear for this one? Okay,
Yes,
first case have okay. So second case. Now we are increasing the value of clean closure. Now first clean closure value we will replace it by 1. Okay, means one time occurrence of this bracket is there, and second we will keep as it is. So in first case, whenever we are replacing anything raised to 1, it will as it is a plus b only. After that b is compulsory portion and this bracket is become as a null. Okay, because we have not replaced with any other value. It means that what is the value? A plus b, b. It means it will generate either AB or BB. It will generate either AB or BB. Okay, so the strings having length as a 2, that will be get generated with the help of these replacements. So we have written these two strings over here. Either AB will be there or BB will be there, right? Next part. Now we will see the next case. What is the next case? We will replace first clean closure by 0 and second clean closure by 1. Okay? In this case, first will be the null, then B as it is, and second case, that is the A plus AB is get generated. And its final output is become as B A plus AB. Okay, so by default, two strings are get generated, BA plus BAB. Okay, so out of these two strings, first string is of length 2 and second string is of length 3. That's why BA we have written in the first length, that is the length having 2, and BAB we have written in the next string, that is the string with length 3. Okay, so we have checked this third case. Okay, I will give here steps. This one is the first case, this one is the second, this one is the third. Now we will check the one more step, because still we have not checked each and every string having length 3, because we have to check all those strings of length less than 4. So we will move towards next step. We will replace both the clean closure by 1. Okay, both the clean closure values by 1. So what are those combinations? First, A plus B occurrence will be there for one time because we have replaced it by 1. B is a compulsory portion, then A plus AB for one time. Okay, because we have replaced it by 1. Now what you have to do, this is a combination of different brackets. Now you know it, AB bracket square. In that case what you are doing, you are making each and every element with other element. Means first you have to do this A with B with A, so it will generate ABA string, right? After that, A with B with AB, AB, AB. Okay, then next string is what? B, B, A, and last one B, B, A, B, 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 A, B. Okay, understood it? So out of that, only pick those strings having length 3. Okay, those having length 3. So here ABA is there and BBA is also there. Okay, is there any queries till now?
No, ma'am.
Have you understood up to it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, now I will move towards another portion. This is very lengthy, but you have to solve it, because whenever you will solve it, then only you can find it out. All those strings that are having length less than 4. Next case. 1 minute. In next case, what we will do? We will replace. Now we have checked all combinations of 0 and 1. Means first clean closure by 0 and 1, second also, and its combination. Now first clean closure we will replace it by 2. Okay, and second clean closure we will replace it by 0. Okay, it means what? There is a 2 occurrences of a first bracket and B is as equal. A plus B, again A plus B, and B is a compulsory portion. Okay, so now check what you have to do. A B, B A B, then. Okay, so check here. First string is A B, A B. Next string is what? A B B. Another one B A B, and last one B B B. Okay, so these 4 strings are get generated, and all those 4 strings are having length 3. So we will mention in this box. If any string is get generated previously, then we will write a single time only. Okay, AAB, this string is not generated previously. Then ABB, this one also, BAB, and triple B. Okay, now we have to check one remaining cases also. Till all those strings that having 3 length that will not be get generated, we have to check the cases, and when the possibilities of length 3 is get stopped, then we will stop our check. Now next case is what? First we will okay, I will copy this portion only, because okay, now first clean closure we will replace by 0, and second clean closure we will replace it by 2. Okay, in this case, first bracket become as a null, second be as it is, and there is a occurrence of 2 times for next 2 brackets. Okay, A plus AB. It means first string is BAA, second string is BAAB, BAAB. Then third string. What is the third string? AB, AB, A, B, A, B, A. And fourth string is B, A, B, A, B. Out of this, only one string is there that will be acceptable for our answer. That is the B, A, A. Okay? Understood? Now, next part is what? Whenever we will consider it as a first string, Okay, means whenever we will replace clean closure by 1 and second clean closure as it is 2, it means it generate all those strings having length 4. That is not required. What we have required, length less than 4. Only these strings are required. Okay. So now calculate total strings. Length having 1 is single. Length having 2 is having 3. Okay. Length having 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Is there any string is
BAB
repeated?
is common.
BAB is repeated.
BA? Okay. Right. BAB is repeated. Okay. Because in another combination also we got the same string. Anything else? AB is there. AB, B is there. Triple B is there. Then BAB we have calculated. BA is last one. Okay. So how many strings we got? Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we got total 11 strings having length less than 4. Okay. Understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are strings
Yes, ma'am.
get repeated? Right. That we have to. Okay. So I will give you one more question after today's lecture as a homeworks. Okay. In that case, first check what is the given regular expression. You have to divide it into such a cases. Then and then only you can find out those strings having length 1, having length 2, 3. Okay. And simultaneously read this statement whether they have asked you length less than 4 or equal to 4, length than 3 or equal to 3 likewise. Okay. So each and every time clearly check the regular expression and its condition. Okay. So whenever they will ask you mention the strings, then you have to mention each and every string like this: B, A, B, 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 A likewise. And whenever they will ask you the count, in that case count all those strings and mention the count only. Okay. So according to uh, question pattern, your answer will get changed. Okay. Have you understood it very clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should we move towards next example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In theory of computation, only and only examples are important because theory part is a very small. Only rules and regulations are there. If you have understood it, then you have to directly move towards the examples and you have to solve it. Okay. So make a more practice because for MCQ, they can ask you a simple question by mentioning its meaning in different manner. Okay. So next question. Can you try it? I will explain it. Just try it. Find a string of minimum length in input symbols, that is the 0, 1 star, not in the language corresponding to the given regular expression. What you have to do? You have to find out the minimum length string that does not belong to given regular expression. Okay, we have solved such a type of example earlier in the today's lecture only, right? So try to find out this strings that does not belong to given regular expression. And before solving it, listen one thing. There may be a chances of having length. Suppose there is a one string of length 3. Okay, in that case, you will have 2 or more strings that does not belong to same regular expression, but minimum length is one and the same. In that case, you have to consider the whatever strings you have find out through this. Okay. So try to solve these two examples. Okay. 1 minute. I will stop my. Okay, note down these two expressions. So meanwhile, I will conduct the attendance. Okay, 1 minute. Note down these two expressions. Noted? Have you noted it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first I will take attendance from A division, then I will take attendance from B division. Okay. So for that purpose, I am uh, muting my mic. Okay. When I will call your roll number, mention in the chat box. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll number 7, absent. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 7 is there. 14, 15, 15, 16. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36, 37, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 42, 43 is there. 44. 42 is there. Okay. 44. 45. 6. 7. 8. 48. 49. 50.
Present, ma'am.
50. Okay. 51. 2. 3. 53. 54. 54 is there. Okay. 55. Roll number 55. 6 is there. 57. 8. 9. 60. 60. 61 is there. 62. 3. 4. 5. 65. 66. 66. 7. 8. 9. 70. 71. 2. 3. 73. 74. 74. 75. 75. 6. 76. 77. 8. 78. 79. 80. Okay. Just check upside roll numbers. 76 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So absent roll numbers 55, 60, 66, 75. 66 is there. Okay. Okay. 55, 60, 75. Absent. Okay. So A division, solve it. Meanwhile, I will take attendance of B division. If you have solved, then you can mention in the chat box. Okay. I will check it. Okay, have you solved from both divisions? I will explain it, just I am asking. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, can you give its answer? First question, first
Yes, ma'am.
expression.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Uh,
the
yes,
its answer will be 001 and 100.
for which one? First one?
First part,
What is? Okay, 0,
01 and 100.
1, 0.
001 and 100.
Oh, 100. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Any
First
else?
one, 001.
Right.
And वो फर्स्ट वाला जो लिखा है वो 100.
First wala 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else who has tried? You can mention in the chat box. No issues. Yes, Kiran, have you tried? Okay. Okay, so now check it. Those who have solved, they also check it, and remaining also they can also check it. Now, what they have asked you, find a string of minimum length for input alphabet set 0, 1, not in the language corresponding to given regular expression. For this, what is your main, that is the universal set 0 plus 1 bracket start. Okay, so you have to follow this set, means null, then 0 comma 1 comma 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and so on. Okay, so if you have find that all these strings are get generated having length 2, then take a next, that is the 000 001, then 010 0 11, then 100 101 110 and 111 and so on. Okay, so we have taken this as a universal set. We have taken this as a universal set. Now check which, for which regular expression what is its regular language. So we have taken first as, okay, this is our regular expression, first regular expression. Now we will find out its regular language first for comparison purpose. Okay, null will be get generated, right? 0 also get generated, 1 also get generated. You can check it. Now 0 0 is get generated with the help of this. Okay, then 0 1 can be generated with the help of this bracket middle one. 1 0 generated by with first one and last 0 by skipping 0 1. Then 1 1 get generated with the help of first one, means all strings having length 2 are get generated with given regular expression. Next part, 000 is get generated. Okay, then next string is what, 001. Now check, 001 we cannot generate over here, right? So she has given first answer as a correct. We cannot generate 001 from this string. Then 010, check, 010 we can generate with the help of this true. 011, can we generate 011? Yes, 011 is also not possible. So 011 is one of the answer. Okay, because we cannot find it out while designing its language. Then 100 is also possible with the help of this first one and with the help of this last 0. Okay, by replacing its clean closure values. Then 101 is also possible with the help of first two brackets. 110 is also possible with the help of first one and this last 0, and triple one is also possible with the help of first. Okay, so this one is wrong because we can generate 100 over here. So I will first mention here those strings that will be get generated with the help of given regular expression. Okay, so its answer is nothing but 001 and 011 we cannot generate from given regular expression having minimum length. Okay, understood it? Yes, students?
Yes,
Okay. So next one. Anybody solved next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 1001.
1001.
One.
Okay, anybody has solved? Yes, at least tried. Okay, see. For this
01, ma'am.
example, only 01. Yes. See. Okay, just a minute. See here. Whenever we are replacing clean closures over here, it generates all possibilities of language with having length 1, having length 2 and having length 3. Okay, whenever you will move towards the length of 4, in that case you will find out such a string that does not belong to regular expression. So first you have to divide your strings, right? I will show you over here. 1 minute. First I will copy it. Okay, see here. This is your regular expression. In that, whenever you will replace clean closure by all by 0, it will generate null. If you replace this clean closure by 1, it will generate single 1, and when you replace this bracket clean closure as a 1, it will generate a single 0. Okay, then with length 2, whenever you will replace it here, this star and this star with different values, it will generate all such a things. Okay, just now what you have mentioned, which string cannot be generated over here?
01.
01. Okay, now check. Whenever we will take a single occurrence of middle bracket and single occurrence of this last one, it will generate a 01. Okay, understood it? When we take a single occurrence of a middle bracket and single occurrence of a last one, with the help of this 0 and with the help of this one, we can generate the 0 string. Okay, in same fashion we can generate the 10, 00 and 11, means length of 2 will be get satisfied over here. Next, related to length 3. Next is related to length 3. We can generate triple one with the help of this one also, with the help of this one also. But for generation of 000, we need to take help of this bracket. When we replace this bracket by 3, it will generate 000. Okay, and when we replace this bracket first by 1, first clean closure by 1, and this bracket by 2, it will generate 100. Okay, so now we will take, means we will try to generate its values after length 3. Okay, just check. I will explain here. Highlighting. We have checked all strings having length 2. Now we will replace this by 0, clean closure value by 1. Then this clean closure value as also 1. and last also by 1. Okay, now check what will happen. First string is get generated as 101 and next one is a 1101. Okay, understood it? Yes, have you understood it? How these two strings are get
Yes,
generated?
ma'am.
Okay, next possibility. Next possibility is what? Okay, now we will replace this second means last one by 2. It means it will generate 0111 plus 11011. Okay, but we want minimum length 4 because we can generate the minimum length 3 values over here. Just we are checking. Okay, so this string we got over here. We want those strings that does not belong to given expression. So we have to check each and every possibility. Now we will keep this as a 1 and we will replace it by 2. Now there is occurrences of this bracket for 2 times. So which strings are get generated? 1001 plus 10101. 10101. Okay, next 11001. 11001, but it goes beyond 5, so we will skip it. Only we will take up to 4. Okay, so for comparison you need to check all such a combinations. Okay, and after checking all such a combinations you will get one string, that is the 0110. We cannot generate over here. Orally also you can check it. If we have taken this 0, okay, and if you have taken its combination, then also you cannot generate this value. Okay, so check all these possibilities, then you will find out this answer. What is this answer? 0110 you cannot find out over here. Okay, so take your time and then only you can find out this answer. You have to check all those strings having length 4. Okay, actually this question may not be asked for your exams, but for GATE exams. Okay, have you heard about GATE exam? Yes, students.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right, so for GATE
Yes, ma'am.
exams is correct. So for GATE exam they will check this higher level. Okay, for your university exam they may not go to these types of questions, but for GATE exam such a questions get asked, because to solve these examples you need more time. Okay, you need more time as well as you need a more logic. Means whatever this universal set is there, that must be in your mind, that must be present in your mind, so you can directly compare it and you can directly find out it. Okay, so when you will get a more practice of such a examples, you can easily solve it. Okay, for solving I have given you the format, means you have to replace it this clean closure by 0 1 2 likewise for each and every brackets, then and then only you can design its sequence, and with the help of this sequence you can find out whether this string is present for this expression or not. Okay, so take your time to solve this example whenever you are solving over here. Okay, just a minute, students. Hello, hello. हा देते एकच मिनिट. Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
take your time to solve such examples. Okay, don't make a hurry, because if you make in hurry, then you may get a wrong string. Okay, so don't worry about it. Take your time. By practice, you will get how to solve fastly. Okay. So next question is next question is find a for given to regular expression. First one is find a string corresponding to R1 but not R2. In DMS you have solved such a types of cases for sets, right? Same pattern you have to apply over here. Means whatever expression they have provided, first design its regular language, means set of strings for both these, and find out such a strings that does not belongs to given regular expression. Okay, so how to solve such a question? For solving such a question, you need to write the sets. Okay, so set for first regular language means for first regular expression is nothing but null is allowed. Am I right? Here see A star plus B star means either all combinations of A will be there or all combinations of B will be there. So its set of strings are nothing but null A, comma double A, comma triple A, comma 4 times A, and infinity and infinity. Then single B, already we have taken a null value. Okay, so this is the set for first regular expression. Then second one, for second regular expression we will write it second regular language. Null will be there because if we consider this one, okay, you have to check each and every as a separate one. Okay, first we will generate it for AB star. Okay, I will divide it. It will be very easy for you. AB star. Here small a is there. Okay, consider it. Small a is there. Okay, so minimum one lane, that is a is there. AB, A double B, A triple B. Okay, likewise. Okay, this is for AB star. Then B A star is equal to B, comma BA, comma B double A, triple A, and so on. Sorry. Okay. Next, B star A. In that case, what will happen? Single A, BA, double BA, triple BA, and so on. And next part is what? A star B whole star. It means initially null will be there. Okay, when you consider its occurrence as a 1, it will generate single B or AB or double AB, comma triple AB. Okay, next, when you consider its double occurrence, then it will generate initially double B, AB, AB, double AB. Okay, and this sequence is going on. Okay, I will give here space so you can see it easily, and I will take it in the below portion. Okay, now you have to make its combination in the bracket in the sequence. because you have to find out the those strings that does not belong to given two expressions likewise. Okay, so null will be there, a will be there, b will be there. Okay, now check, can we generate aa? Yes, ab is also there, ba is also there, bb is also there. Okay, then you can take it for length 3 also, but we are having sufficient data. Okay, we are having sufficient data to find out its answer, because what they have asked, find a string corresponding to r2 but not r1, means such a string that belong to r2 but that does not belong to r1, that string you have to give as a answer. What is such a string? Only minimum length string. Null is there in both the expressions, right? A is also present in both the languages. B is also present in both the languages. Okay. Corresponding to R2 but not R1. AB, but AB is not present in the R1. So AB is one answer and BA is another answer. Next one, BB is common for both. Understood? Okay, only minimum length string. They have not asked remaining string. Otherwise, it get generated for multiple times for multiple length. Okay, and second one, find a string corresponding to both r1 and r2. Both r1 and r2. In that case, null will be the one answer. A is also answer. B is also answer. If you have not mentioned null, then also no problem. Okay, because it totally depends on the MCQ's portion. A and B is the main answer. If you have conducted null, then you can write. Okay, so both the answers are correct over here, but main answer is null A, B. Understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
queries? Okay. Is it easy as compared to previous example?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So don't take tension about theory of competition, because from here onwards you will find out such examples only whenever we will deal with the finite automatas. Okay, currently we have not seen the what is mean by finite automata. Okay, so only these three questions are there. We will finish it and then we will stop here. Okay, I will take it on the next page. Find regular expression for strings of even length over 0 and 1. Okay, you have seen the example having even length of zeros and even length of ones. Okay, but when you are dealing with such a case, you have to check all those cases. Null is there by default, it is even. 0 0 is there, 0 1 is there, 1 0 is there, 1 1 is there, and all possibilities with the help of even string values. Okay, I will mention also 4 times 0, 0 1 0 1, 1 0 1 0, 1 1 0 0, 0 0 1 1, 4 times 1. Yes, too many cases are there. I have taken very few, because whenever you will take a combinations of this, it will generate multiples of. Okay, means suppose two input symbol are there and you have taken 2 raised to 2, it will generate 4 combinations, right? Two input symbol means 0 and 1, 0 1 raised to 3, it will generate 2 raised to 3, means total 8 combinations. 2 raised to 4 means it generate total 16 combinations, means for this length 4 you will have total 16 strings. I have taken only 6. Okay, so its regular expression is nothing but even length, right? 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 whole star. Okay, you can mention it like this, or you can mention it as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 star. Meaning of both the things is one and the same, because if you take its combination it will generate the same pattern, right? In some textbooks they have given answer for this question as like this, and in some textbooks they have given it like this. Okay, so both the answer one and the same, so don't confuse in between. Understood it? Okay, so in same fashion you can generate the
Yes, ma'am.
even sorry. Okay, in same fashion you can generate the odd length also. Only you have to increase one bracket in front of this clean closure. Okay, same over here. It will generate odd length of, okay, 1 minute students. Try to solve the next question. Find regular language, a regular expression for strings and odd number of words. Okay, simple odd number of ones, it means we have already solved, that is the 1 bracket 1 1 whole star, or you can write it as a 1 1 whole star 1. Okay, simple odd number of ones. Now I will replace this same question by input alphabet set. Now check what I am doing here. And odd number of ones they have mentioned, and whenever that statement is get changed with the help of these input symbols, then your answer is get somewhat changed. Okay, your answer is get somewhat changed. What it gets changed, it means whenever only one portion is there, then this one is the correct, but you have to also take a cases of zeros also, but they have not added any restrictions to zeros. So it may have even numbers of zeros, or it may have odd number of zeros. So for such a cases you have to consider here as it may start with 0. Okay, so you can mention here in between these two ones as a 0 star, or in the bracket 0 star, then 0 star. Okay, and outside the bracket 0 star. Here many possibilities are there, but your answer is must be one and the same. I have purposefully taken this example. Okay, now check this regular expression. Odd number of ones, this cases get satisfied, as well as any number of zeros is also get satisfied. Understood it? Yes, students, have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whether today's lecture is too fast? Only last question is remain. Then we will stop here, because next question is related to this finite automatons, but we will see in the next lecture. Only we will see this example and we will stop here. We are having next lecture on today at 3:15 p.m. So just practice all those things. Okay, just practice the same examples because you are having its answers with you. Okay, so next question. Find a regular expression for strings length 6 or less over the input alphabet set 0, 1. means only you have to calculate those strings having length equal to 6 or less than 6, means here null will be there, comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 0 comma 1 1. Okay, I will write here, and this process is going on up to what, length 6. Okay, so only limited strings are there here, infinity case is not there, only limited strings are there. It means there is a occurrences of 0 plus 1 for 6 times. Okay, means if you have considered same bracket for 6 times, you can able to generate all those strings. Okay, so this is the regular expression for limited values. Okay, now you can check. If you have considered same bracket for 6 times, it generate the null value. Okay, if you have considered same bracket for 6 times and out of that you have considered 0 out of this 6 as a 1 and remaining as a null, it will generate 0. Same is applicable for 1, and by using all those combinations you can generate the values from null value to 6 times zeros to 6 times 1 and in between all combinations. Okay, so this is the finite regular expression. Up till now whatever we have seen, that comes under the infinite, and this one is comes under the finite. Okay, any queries? Have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
have you bored?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, na? Really?
Yes, yes.
Because this is very lengthy portion actually, but you feel like that yes, this is somewhat boring. But if you solve it, if you take a interest in it, then you will have a enjoying portion. Okay, this is a somewhat enjoying task also if you have take a interest. Okay, all of you are giving answers, all these answers are correct, only somewhat changes are there. Okay, so you are dealing with complete a good part. Okay, so be practicing, and just a minute, don't leave the sessions, I want to discuss something. Okay, so 1 minute.